Hey, we are Shree Narayan Machines from India. Are you running a sanitary pad business? Folding of pads is now easy, as we have brought a budget-friendly pad folding machine for you. Please watch this video for more information. Sanitary pad tri-folding machine. Now, we will see how it works. First of all, the pad is fed into the machine. It is done manually like this. After that, the machine folds the wings of that pad and sends them for the remaining two folds. Then after the two folds of the pad, the machine puts a tape on the bottom of the pad so that its fold does not open. And this is how the process goes on. We can fold 1200 to 1500 pads per hour with this machine with manual feeder. Now, as you all are seeing, the machine is automatically folding the pads here. As you can see, the machine has taped the pad and our pad trifold work is complete. If you want to buy this machine, then please contact on our numbers. Thank you for watching.